First real-life unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Wow, the Galaxy S26 Ultra leaked earlier than expected, and honestly, it surprised me. At first, the camera island looked a bit disappointing in renders, like a step backward. But seeing the real device in Sahil Karoul's early unboxing changed everything. The camera bump doesn't look huge or awkward anymore. Instead, it feels modern, clean, and surprisingly premium. Samsung really made it work in real life. Holding it in hand gives a familiar vibe. It feels very close to the S25 Ultra. The corners are a bit rounder, the size and weight are almost the same, and it still feels like a classic Galaxy phone. I'm honestly glad it doesn't try to mimic the iPhone 17 Pro Max design. That would have been a strange move. But there's one small frustration. The more rounded bottom corners make placing the S Pen a little harder. You have to carefully align it and insert it tip down. It's not as smooth or effortless as before, and over time this might feel a bit annoying. The privacy display is probably one of the most exciting upgrades. From the front, the screen looks perfectly normal, but when you tilt the phone sideways, the display darkens dramatically, almost hiding the content from view. In crowded public spaces, this feels genuinely useful, not just like a marketing trick. It actually feels thoughtful. Moving to the S Pen again, the design change matters. Because of the rounded bottom, sliding the stylus back inside requires more precision. The older design was more forgiving. This new one asks you to be careful, which might take some getting used to. The camera design is a pleasant surprise. The camera island is back, but it's not as bulky as early renders suggested. In real life, it looks more refined and balanced. The silver ring accents around the lenses give it a modern, premium shine. It feels well engineered rather than overstyled. Performance also looks promising. Early Geekbench results show a solid jump in speed thanks to the new chipset. Daily use should feel smoother and faster. The only slightly disappointing part is that battery capacity and endurance seem roughly similar to last year. Overall, the S26 Ultra feels like a careful refinement rather than a radical redesign. It's familiar, elegant, and quietly powerful, not shocking, but definitely satisfying. The very first real-life look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra has finally arrived, and it's bigger than any ordinary leak. This is the moment fans have been holding their breath for. Fresh images shared by Sahil Karoul give us what seems like an early hands-on glimpse of Samsung's next Ultra flagship, and honestly, it looks breathtaking. Right from the start, the design feels more refined. The white back panel is pristine and premium, while the camera layout makes a bold yet perfectly balanced statement. The individual camera rings are sharper, more defined, giving the phone a powerful presence without overcomplicating the design. It feels familiar, yet unmistakably evolved. One of the leaked screenshots even shows the device info listing the model as Galaxy S26 Ultra, complete with a model number, active warranty, and a production date in 2026. If genuine, this strongly suggests we're looking at a near-final prototype, confirming that development is deep into its last stages. Another image shows the setup process screen with a prompt to scan a QR code, an intimate, real-world touch that makes this leak feel alive. This isn't a mock-up or dummy unit. It's a fully functioning device running Samsung's latest software. From the slim bezels to the flat display, every detail hints that Samsung is perfecting the Ultra formula rather than reinventing it. More mature, more focused, more premium. If these leaks from Sahil Karoul hold up, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could very well become one of the most anticipated flagship launches of 2026. And judging by this first real look, we might only be scratching the surface.